Hello my friends, hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and in this video I'm gonna go with you through this journal I built for a teenager. He is a boy and he loves music. So let's see what I got for him. This is a pin. I have been taking it from a long time and it's made out of clay. This is a nice idea you can do, and also a key. For the closure, I use this leather here, and I have these pieces. This is wood, like a dangles there at the end of the leather, and also on the inside I have all these parts that he can place here, little pencils or pens that you can use for painting or to write or to do something. So it's there, and it has 2, 4, 6 spaces, and here it says create a life you love. Create a life you love. You can read it there, and actually it came with this cover. Now here I built 2 signatures. They are separate, and I just keep them using a rubber band like that. And we're gonna go flipping through the journal. So this is the initial for his name, and I was inspired by tigers. As you can see here, I have a pocket, pages to write. This says wild, more tigers. You can see pink tigers, yellow tigers. This was super fun to make. This is fabric. I got this from Michael's, and look at that. I just cut it from the page and combined the tiger with some leaves there. And also, as you can see here, I have the sewing point here. This was handmade, so I have all the thread there, and my rubber band for the first signature. These are little tags or labels he can use to write. And the amazing thing here was that I cut this following the shape of the tigers, so it's not straight. So I cut it like that. I think it is a beautiful detail, and it's also beautiful to have all this keyboard on top of the page. So that's a nice idea that I love. Now this is the final page with more tigers and inspiration. You can have many ephemerals and stuff from different sources, magazines, anything you'll have around your house. This is the second signature. I was inspired a little bit in traveling, and you're gonna see that music allows you to travel, like in your dreams, to different countries. So this is the part more into music. I have, this is a label from I don't know, from a clothing or something I had. Another initial there, and I have this booklet I made with music paper. Here it says your soul is singing. I have somebody playing, and also more music paper here. These I stained this with using coffee. So as you can see, it looks old and vintage, but it was coffee dye. This is the rubber band for the second signature, and that's the sewing part. This is a tiny pocket I did with a page of an old book. And I have another label there with a bike. I love the combination because it really matches with this page. And in here I have this beautiful label with also music on it. It says Amazing Grace. I fold the pages here, so I have a pocket. This is another music paper, and I have the label here says inspiring, and in this case I combine the tiger from the first signature into this second signature with more inspiration. And now we have the last page, enough space to write, to journal, and to be entertained and meditating. And here more of the stamps, and of course this amazing collage I did for him. Now here there is nothing. This is just to reinforce the back cover, and that's the flip through of this amazing journal. I'm gonna just close it again, and I can't wait until I have the moment I'm gonna give this to his new owner. So this is all for this video. I hope you get some inspirations from here. Remember, don't go away without giving me thumbs up and comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna be posting more videos for your inspiration. Remember, it's just a matter of starting, and then you'll be amazing about your creativity and all the things you can do with just a couple of papers, scissors, and glue. So I see you soon in my next episode. Bye bye. Bye, friends. Bye bye.